Welcome to my channel. Today I will make মটরশুঁটি Notun Alur dom or new small potato curry. This is a traditional Bengali recipe that is served as a side dish along with all types of puri, rice recipes and Indian breads. If we skip onion and garlic, then we can use as Niramish or Bengali vegetarian meal. It can be eaten during religious festivals as well as served to gods. It can be made for any day-to-day meal, breakfast and snack. It can be made to commemorate festivals and special occasions. Please watch till the end as I give many tips, recommendations, explanations and alternatives. Subscribe to my channel to get more tasty recipes. Please make this recipe at home. Share this recipe with your friends and family members. Do not forget to click the bell icon so that you get notification when I post a new video. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. I have taken small or new potato 800 gram in a pressure cooker. Add water 4 cups and salt 1 teaspoon. Pressure cook for 10 minutes in medium to high heat. After 10 minutes, I have immediately switched off the gas, cooled the pressure cooker with running water from the tap, then removed the potato from the pressure cooker so that the potato does not get overcooked. When it cools down, peel the skin. Keep aside. New potato has such soft skin that we can keep them as well. Heat cooking oil 12 tablespoons in a pan. Pour the potato into the oil. When the oil was heating, I have added turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and salt half teaspoon to the potato. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Take off the pan and keep aside. In the remaining oil, add oil 6 tablespoons and ghee half teaspoon optional. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 2 split into 2, crushed cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon stick 2 medium, panch foron 1 teaspoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, grinded cumin 1 tablespoon or cumin powder 1 teaspoon, grinded coriander seeds 1 tablespoon or coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Saute in medium heat till golden brown. The cumin and coriander seeds are grinded in mixture and grinder till nearly powder. I make in bulk and save in airtight jars. I have seen that grinded masala gives better taste than powder. As you can see, the masala is now golden brown. Add chopped onion 1 and 1/3 cup or onion paste 1 cup. I have seen that the curry tastes better with chopped onion. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. Now add ginger paste 2 tablespoons, garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Saute for 2 minutes in medium to high heat to get rid of raw smell of ginger and garlic. Now add tomato paste 1 cup. Turmeric powder 1½ teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoon or regular red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cook till the oil separates from the masala. This is a must as the curry gets its taste from this step. As you can see, the oil is floating on top of the masala. This means the masala is done. Add peas, ½ cup, frozen or fresh. Now pour the potato into the masala. Add tomato ketchup 4 tablespoons, optional. We can make this curry entirely with tomato ketchup. Then in that case, use 10 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Ketchup gives a very nice taste to the curry. And salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Add water 1½ cups. Mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook in high heat for 10 minutes. However, after 5 minutes, open the lid and stir for few seconds to avoid curry getting stuck at the bottom of the pan. Cover with the lid and cook for the rest of the 5 minutes. 10 minutes is now over. The oil is floating again, now on top of the curry. This means the curry is cooked. Stir for 1 minute. With a spoon, cut a potato and taste it. Add whatever is required. My Notun Alur dom is perfect. Switch off the gas. Add green chilies 2 slit in the middle. Green chilies are added last so that they do not make the curry very spicy or hot. Cover with a lid and keep aside so that the water does not evaporate further and become dry. I will serve it hot with some radha bollabi. It serves about 4 to 5 people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.